Have you ever asked the question, is there anything more than just yoga postures? Do you feel like your yoga practice isn't helping you to get you back on the path you were meant to be on? Are you asking questions such as, how does my yoga practice truly help me to fulfill life's purpose? How does my yoga practice help me to get on the path that I was meant to be on? The answer lies in awakening your chakras. When I was first given a chakra practice, my own life unfolded in a way I never thought was possible. And now I want to give you the secrets to unlock your potential. These chakra practices will give you increased clarity and focus in your day. They will help you to unlock your true potential. They will give you more control in your life while decreasing your stress. They will increase your awareness and mental clarity. These chakra practices will help you to become more driven and focused towards your true calling.